Look at your hands right now. Think deep within them, down to the cells, even the atoms inside them. But how sure are you that what you are looking at is really you? Science says that almost all the cells in your body are completely renewed within 7 to 10 years. The bones deep within, even the building blocks of the neurons carrying your memories, change over time. Consider this. If you do not carry a single atom left from yourself 7 years ago, is that old you still you? Or are you merely a flawless copy of your former self? Today, we break our habitual thought patterns and enter the delusion chamber, the place where the question of where the limits of logic end is explored. Today's topic, the Ship of Theseus. According to the legend, the Athenian hero Theseus returns to his city after his victory in Crete. His people keep his ship in the harbour and preserve it to honour this victory. But time is cruel. The wooden planks rot and are replaced with new ones. The sails tear and sturdier ones take their place. Over the centuries, not a single original part of the ship remains. Everything changes one by one. Is this ship still the same ship that Theseus docked at the harbour? If you say, yes, this is still the same ship, you must take a look at the challenging question of the philosopher Thomas Hobbes. Let's say the craftsman couldn't bear to throw away all those old parts removed from the ship and collected them in a warehouse. Over time, they cleaned all these parts and reassembled them faithfully to the original. We would have two ships, one built with brand new parts in the harbour, and the other rebuilt with the old parts touched by Theseus. So, which one is the real Ship of Theseus? If you say both, you must talk about a single ship existing in two different places at the same time. If you choose only one, you have to explain why the other is not real. This is not just an ancient story, it is also your story. The human body consists of approximately 30 trillion cells, and every day 300 billion of these cells die while new cells take their place. Even since you started reading this text, your body has undergone changes. What about you? If you are more than just the sum of the parts that make you up, what exactly does this excess represent? A soul, consciousness, or something else? Think of a cloud, for example. Water vapor constantly moves. The wind changes its shapes and scatters it, but we still call it a cloud because it is not a substance, it is a form. And you? Could you be just a wave passing through the atoms? Now think about this question. If in the future every single neuron in your brain were to be replaced by silicon chips performing the exact same function, would the resulting person still be you? Or, when the whole process is completed, would they have stripped you of your identity and practically killed you? Memories, personality, passions, and fears. If these are merely a data set, how much meaning does it hold who the original is? Or are we too, like the Ship of Theseus, just entities clinging to the illusion of continuity? That's all for today from the Delusion Chamber. But remember, the person who leaves the chamber might not be the same as the person who entered. Do not hesitate to ask yourself this question. Are you merely the sum of your parts or your story? Don't forget to share your answer with us in the comments. But before you reply, are you sure which you is the one speaking? Follow us to continue questioning reality and join us in this mental adventure. See you in the next conversation. If you are still here,